Right, now the Law Society of Kenya now says it will seek private prosecution of those who issued death threats to lawyer Charles Kanjama in relation to the attempted murder of former Garissa financier C. Idris Mukhtar. Addressing the media early today, LSK Nairobi chapter vice chair, that is Paula Njuguna, has said the society will reconsider the kind of lawyers they represent due to the increase in death threats against their members.
Constitution of Kenya and humanity. This is a grave issue which is a cause for great alarm, as lawyers must be guaranteed of their safety while in the corridors of justice and in the streets. Lawyers must not be put in a position where they have to be selective in representing clients for their safety. These are actions that constitute a complete affront to the constitutional requirement of access to justice and impede the pursuit of justice and professed national goal, justice be our shield and defender. It has become all too clear in the recent years that advocates in Kenya are at increased risk of harassment and assassination as a consequence of their mandate. This is evidenced by the untimely deaths of our own, namely Willie Kimani, Jared Ratemo, Anthony Gujiri, Stephen Buru, amongst others. At the root of this crisis is the systematic negligence and failure of various state organs to respect and protect the rule of law. In light of the above circumstances, the Law Society of Kenya Nairobi branch demands that, 1, due to the sensitive nature of the case and the recent death of a key suspect, David Mwai, who allegedly committed suicide in a police cell, that all witnesses to this case be placed under witness protection during the period in which the proceedings are ongoing. All culprits, and we say all culprits, including high-ranking culprits involved in this matter, are brought to justice expeditiously. However, we would like to commend the arrest of some suspects, but our imposition is that all, and we repeat, all the suspects involved are brought to book. The government of Kenya and all relevant authorities, including the Director of Criminal Investigations, the Director of Public Prosecutions, the National Police Service, Witness Protection Agency, and the judiciary, to immediately take necessary measures to protect advocates in Kenya in execution of their duties in line with the access to justice. In the event, however unfortunate, that the above are not achieved, the LSK Nairobi branch will seek private prosecution of any individual who may be culpable for the crimes in question. We shall further call upon our members and the public to engage in peaceful protest until such a time that the protection of Mr. Kanjama's life is a guarantee, and all suspects, and again we repeat, all suspects, subsequently face the full wrath of the law. In conclusion, our focus is on those rogue elements in the society who are of the opinion that getting rid of a lawyer is a route to avoiding court processes. We will not tire in the protection of our members and the public at large. Yes. We take this opportunity to offer our support and prayers to the victims and their families. We also condole with our colleagues who have fallen in the line of duty. Rest in peace, our fallen heroes.